13. I'm Nevaeh and this is my partner,
Sky Gordon. And there's breaking news in Iceland. This just in. A volcano has erupted for the second time in 1 month. Melting ice, clouds of smoke, and steam have caused major problems. Back to you, partner, for more news coverage.
Thank you, Sky. Iceland's volcano Eyjafjallajokull erupted for the first time in 200 years on March 20th, 2010, and a second eruption has just occurred today, April 14th. The volcano was located under the Eyjafjallajokull glacier and it's covered by an ice cap and located on the south coast of the island of Iceland, about 3 kilometers inland. The volcano caused the glacier ice cap to melt, which started widespread flooding. Because of this, 700 people were evacuated in the middle of the night. The main coastal road was ruined, and 20 farms were destroyed due to the massive flooding and thick ash. Workers have begun to bulldoze the street to allow flood water to flow into the ocean and prevent bridges from being swept away. We are happy to report that there have been no deaths reported in connection to the volcano. We are currently being informed that air traffic is being suspended in different parts of Europe. Please stay tuned for our travel report with Mike Harris.
We will continue to bring you updated information about this topic as we receive it. Here are some pictures from our viewers of the volcano eruption in Iceland.
That is our news tonight. This is Nevaeh Gordon
and Sky Gordon reporting to you from News 13.
Good night and tune in tomorrow morning for more news coverage. Welcome to News 13. I'm Nevaeh Gordon and this is my partner,
Sky Gordon. It has been a week since the volcano eruption in Iceland happened. Europe's flights have been canceled for 6 days. Now people have been told to evacuate daily, and everywhere we look, we have seen massive flooding. How much longer is this going to last?
Hopefully it'll be over soon, Sky.
Today, reporting live from Iceland, we go to Francis Donaldson for an update.
Hi, Nevaeh and Sky. I'm reporting to you from the nearby town of Eyjafjallajokull, located 60 miles west from the Eyjafjallajokull Volcano.
Francis, how does it look out there?
Not good. There's a lot of ash in the air, making it difficult to breathe. The ash has left nothing uncovered from cars, animals, land, and homes. Taking a look at some of these footage from earlier today. This eruption has also caused melting of large amounts of ice, leading to flooding all over southern Iceland. This ash cloud has gotten so big, it has granted thousands of flights over Europe. It is the highest level of air travel disruption since World War II. They are telling us that this volcano will still spewing ash and the wind direction can possibly continue to bring clouds into the UK and European airspace. This is Francis Donaldson reporting live, News 13.
Thank you, Francis, for your update. Stay warm and we will come to you for another update in the future.
Even though this volcano is small compared to others, it surely has caused a whole lot of problems in the air. Hundreds of thousands of airline passengers all over Europe have been left stranded as the ash cloud reached as far as the south coast of England, Germany, and parts of western Russia. People are tired, frustrated, and forced to make other travel plans. Airspace has been closed across Europe for the last 6 days, with at least 17,000 flights a day being canceled. Overall, 95,000 flights have been canceled. The eruption caused thousands of tons of ash into the air, and the steam plumes from the melted ice made it go higher into the air, about 20,000 to 35,000 feet. Flights have been canceled because ash particles can cause engine failure and damage to the airplane. Reports show that this fine ash particle can erode metal, clog fuel and cooling systems, and melt to form glassy deposits. It has also been reported that flight instruments, windows, lights, wings, and cabin air supply can also be affected. Latest research tells us that molten rock from the volcano is erupting through 100 meters of ice in 5 different spots and causing such a big air plume. In Iceland, Hannah Andrews, someone who lives at the bottom of the volcano, said that she received a phone call 20 minutes prior to needing to leave her home. Andrews said from a safe house yesterday, "It is a huge shock to us all and it doesn't seem real at all."
Thank goodness that a local protection officer was prepared to call Miss Andrews ahead of time to warn her.
You're absolutely right, Sky. Did you know that Iceland is ahead of the game when it comes to warning people about these types of disasters? Iceland officials have policies they put together to inform nearby communities using text message and internet alerts. In this case, it gave residents enough notice to prepare for evacuation. They also have researchers in the air monitoring the plume using scientific instruments to see when it will be safe for planes to fly again.
I did not know that. That's great that they are using technology to inform the public. Fastest way to spread the word.
Absolutely right, Sky. We are being told that no planes can take off until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Good luck to all those waiting for good news. That is our news tonight. This is Nevaeh Gordon
and Scott Gordon reporting to you from News 13.
Good night and tune in tomorrow morning for more news coverage.
Sorry, this bun is heavy.
Wait.
Action.
Sky.
2, 1. 4, 3, 2. It is 7:45 in the morning. 3, 4, 6.
In streams.
Okay.